Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will be covering the important details regarding the computer science branch in the different NITs. So this video will be a little bit long. So if you had not subscribed yet, you can subscribe and you can share with your friends also. In the upcoming videos, we will be discussing for the other branch also. So let's get started guys. And all the links are in the description. So if you talk about the NIT Trichy here, the NIT Trichy, the first round cutoff for the CAWG. CAWG basically where you have to pay around 8 lakh for 4 year. And non-CAWG basically where you have to pay around 30 lakhs for 4 year. Okay, this is the basic difference and major difference as well. So if you talk about NIT Trichy, the closing for the round 1 is 13,385. Okay, that is under the CAWG category. And in the second round, it went to 16,000 rank. Already in the 2 round itself, this, the seats got full for the CAWG category in the NIT Trichy. This year, you can also expect the same, or maybe you can expect the competition will be increasing because comparatively, this year the number of the applicants are more. Okay. Now, if you come a little bit down, so NIT Trichy after NIT Surathkal, you can see in here, the closing is around 22,000 and this is again in the CAWG category. The second is 22,657. So, and if you talk about Warangal, Warangal is closing at 38,176 in the round 1 and Calicut is closing at 74. So if you compare this, like if you are planning for Trichy, Warangal, Surathkal and Calicut. So basically if you are planning all these branches, your percentile you can see for Trichy and Warangal, your percentile anyhow now you have rank. So you can directly compare with the rank itself. But what you have to do, why I'm showing this? So if you are making the preference order, so you have to make the preference order like this. For example, if you want Trichy computer science at any cost, so firstly you have to put Trichy computer science and then you have to put CAWG. First you have to put CAWG category. Those who are residing in the Gulf, they will be having the option of CAWG category. So they have to put the CAWG. Then after that, you have to put the same college, same branch in the non-CAWG category. Okay. So why we are doing like this? For an example, because of any reason, if you are not getting in the CAWG category, CS, you can easily get that into the non-CAWG category. When I'm saying easily, that doesn't mean like you will be getting it. But because if you see in here, the cutoff for the cutoff in here, I have this is a representation of only CAWG. But when you see the non-CAWG, the cutoff for the non-CAWG, if it is 16, it will be minimum from 16 to 18. So, if you are not getting in the CAWG category, then there is a good possibility that you can get that college in the non-CAWG category, even your rank is 1,000 or 2,000 high in case of NIT Trichy. So that is the advantage. So whenever you are filling this choice filling, you have to do like the same for all the other college. Also, I would like to show in here that even if your rank is 4 lakh, 5 lakh or 6 lakh also, you don't have to worry. We have a very good opportunity. In here you can see this is under the CAWG category. In the non-CAWG category, the closing will be almost double for some of the colleges. Okay, because the number of the seats are pretty high. Even in the last year, there are a lot of seats which were vacant in the top NITs. So you don't have to worry. Just you should have patience. Prepare your documents. If you require any assistance, you can let us know. Okay, so don't get worried. You can see in here the cutoff, like if you see the NIT Surat cutoff in here, it's reaching up to 2,49,000 in the round 1 itself. from India, this college is closing under 10,000 rank, right? So that good college you are getting. So you don't have to worry regarding anything. If you have any confusion, you can let us know. Thank you.